Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the sand clocks on Fusion 360. So first thing I'm going to just make a circumscribed polygon. Let's put it to 5 because I like the number 5. And I'm going to just try to put it for 5. Yeah, 5 there. Now I'm going to try and make it as straight as possible. Make it smaller, straight as possible. And there. Nice. Now I'm going to basically do another no, I'm gonna extrude it. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm gonna extrude it. I'm a little bit out of my mind, but I'm gonna extrude it. And now I'm going to do another circumscribed polygon. And I'm doing the project tool. I think I can size it down with the project tool. I don't know. And oh no, I can't size it down. Oh, can't size it down. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the normal one. It's gonna be hard. Now I'm just gonna make another circumscribed polygon. I don't really now. It doesn't really matter. You could put a circle, but I don't want to do a circle. Don't feel like it. Now I'm gonna put a circumscribed polygon. I'm gonna put it to 5, and I'll put a lock. I've cut this up. I like cutting up polygons, 6 polygons, like 6-side polygon, hexagon, because it's so nice. But now we're gonna put it to 5, and I don't think I can line it up, so I'll just do that. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it's a little bit small slanted, but who cares? But yeah, who cares? So now I'm going to use the construct tool. Going to go construct. The construct. I'm gonna put it at like 70-80 millimeters, not meters. And now I'm going to do that. I'm going to try project it all. Boom. I've projected it. Now all I need to do, oh come on, yes, thank you. All I need to do is now just draw around it so it looks like a perfect mirror of the shape. Couldn't do that with the other one, but I can do it this one. Nice. Now I'm going to start that. Well, make another one, I guess. So, can you see? It's a perfect representation. So I'm going to do it outwards. Now I'm going to orbit, because I like orbiting. I'm going to orbit, and I'm going to sketch on that plane. And I'm going to project again. Yes. Yes. It did it. Well, yeah, it did it. So now I'm going to just trace around it. Keep forgetting. Yeah, I think I traced around it, but yeah. Now I'm going to extrude it. Now let's do a construct. Try getting in the middle. 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 Get in the middle. Oh, there. Oh, yeah, there. Oh, God. In the middle, please. Yes. Finally. Now I'm going to sketch. Well, yeah, because there's a plane there. I'm supposed to sketch it. Now I'm going to create a circle so that I can loft it. I'm supposed to make a shell out of it, but I'm not thinking of a shell. I should do a shell. Nah, I won't do a shell in the video. But if you need a shell, I recommend splitting the shape and then clicking on it to shell it. Normally shells in 2 parts because it should work if you really want to make one. Just don't 3D print it. Or if you want to 3D print it, you can. So now I'm just going to zoom out. I'm always not doing it perfectly. So now I'm going to do another one, which is loft. The loft. What else am I supposed to do? A lofty. Yes. So we're coming to the final parts of the video, like where I do something. I don't know what I'm doing now. Now I'm just gonna try and oh yeah, the appearance. So I'm gonna try do the appearance here. I'm gonna go with the more feeling plastic. I'm gonna put that, and oh, the whole thing comes together. Yeah, that'd be annoying. I'll just change the color. I guess I'm gonna just try and error through these colors. They all look so nice. So now I'm going to just like do the component color, and nothing happened. Well, I'm just trying to make it into a different color. I don't know how yet. Probably I'm gonna have to split the shape. It won't work. So bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm not saying it correctly. Why do I never say it correctly? Bye.